Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble drawing this, and I don't have it perfect yet if you look right here, but it's pretty good. I have solved kind of what they're doing wrong, or not wrong, it's just something they have to do. We're going to take a 10-inch ellipse and hit P. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and make a 2-inch ellipse. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and make a 6-inch ellipse. The reason for that is that's the distance to the center from that 10 inches 5, from the center outward is 1 of a 2-inch. So with that selected, I'm going to shift select that outer one and hit L. I'm going to select the inside one and I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. And then I'm going to shift select this and I'm going to hit R. The reason I didn't use the Control D is because it would just keep duplicating another way, and I just don't want that. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to fill in this part right here, and I'm going to nudge it over, and I'm going to left click. I didn't not recording as full screen. So this is, we need to blend it. First of all, I'm going to try to get rid of a node without changing the dimension. See, if I get rid of that one, I change the dimension, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to take these two nodes and I'm going to right click and I'm going to break it apart. And then I'm going to select the whole thing and I'm going to go to object and break the curve apart. By doing that, I have two separate objects. Now I'm going to look at them with the shape tool. The arrows of direction of the path need to be going so right to left, or left to right. But this one's going the other way. I don't think it matters which one you change. I'm going to select all the nodes and right click, change subpath. Now I can put this one back and I can select them both. And I'm going to go to effects and blend them like 10 times. And that's pretty good. The problem, and see that node is resonating from some other stuff. Maybe we can get rid of that node. In this case, you cannot change the shape or it won't work. See, if we remove that one, see, it changes the shape and it's not going to be round anymore. So now, because I've gotten rid of that node, that's pretty good. Yeah, that one node on the outside was resonating. I'm going to make it a few more thicknesses. Now what you have to do, because I'm working the center of the page, well, that'll work. I can just nudge these out of the way, and because I'm working in the center of the page, I can nudge this back, Control D, alternate C, and rotate from there. And okay, see how you don't see any rotation? Let's go to Object, break the blend apart, go up to Object, and let's break the 6 objects apart, and then we're going to go back and go to Object and Control G to group them. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I just had one copy. Control D, alternate C, halfway around, 180 degrees, and you get that effect. I think it really looks better in black. And there you go. Problem solved. But because I think she was sending me, well, let me just show you what happens. Let's take these two and just do it again. And let's left click, right click. Let's go up to and break these two apart. but then you have to select them both and go up to object and break the curve apart. Now watch what happens when we try to blend them. Go all over the spectrum. That's because it's going two different directions. Much like if you drew a line and you went this way with one line and this way with the other line, and you blend them, you're going to get that. So whenever you go, it's always better just to take a line and make a duplicate of that line and then move it down and then blend them, and they're going the same direction. Now, I was playing around with this before I did it. That's a pretty cool effect right there. And let's just do that. This is a lot easier. Let's just move this out of the way. And let's move this back. Hopefully it's still in the center page. I don't know that I moved it. We'll test it first. Control D, alternate C, 180 degrees. Yep. I like doing it this way first. Take the interactive. Let's do a different color. Let's do that light blue. Take the interactive fill tool and just kind of put some darkness, maybe one direction or the other. I think I want it mainly down here. Control D, alternate C, 180 degrees. That's pretty cool. That's really cool though, and I'm really happy I got it straightened out. I was thinking it was the node on the inside, and it was really the node on the outside. You just got to be careful because you cannot remove too many nodes. And, if you change the width of the lines, it's going to completely change it because it's go too far, it won't look as good. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.